Hey guys, it's your boy Mr. Luke Evan Brooks. I hope everyone's doing well. Stay tuned. Hey guys, it's your boy Mr. Luke Evan Brooks here, walking in the city of Bahrain. Right now, I usually don't be walking like this, but right now, I'm walking, not to head home directly, because it's a long walk to walk home. You'd be looking at an hour and change. But I'm just walking to clear my head, because I haven't been outside. You know, I've been away, been having deep thoughts. But what I'm doing right now is trying to find an ATM. But a lot of things have been going on. A lot of people don't talk to you about those things. As far as like mental health, I think that's the number one thing that we should have. As far as someone who is, I don't know what they got going on over here. As someone who is always stressing upon that, I think it's very important that you get your mental health checked out. Yeah, I finished. I didn't know who that was at first. But anyway, going back on what we have going on, it's just making sure that we have our mental health checked. And I think everyone should have that check. I had a traumatic experience happen to me a few days ago. Not because of it, but because of something that happened to me when I was 15. And we're going to talk about that on later shows and whatnot. But to me, let's talk to a few people that's outside of my friend's circle. They say that's an event that happened to me so long ago. I buried it. I never really got any what's it called? Not reconciliation, but reconcile, whatever you want to call it, as far as getting it resolved. And I think I never got it resolved because I thought, oh, this will never happen to me again. But it happened to me, and the shock that it happened in a foreign country, not by the people who live here in Bahrain, but like that really kind of messed my head up right there. And I gotta start doing videos, right? I gotta get back and doing the things that I used to do, because you know, I really love it. I love it. I'm not gonna put in past tense. I love recording, like talking. I like really getting my thoughts out, and I haven't been doing that lately. Maybe that's something that God's like, hey, we gotta redirect you back onto what you used to do. So, to be honest with you, I think that's where it needs to be. I think that's where the love and the heart should go to. And they may have an ATM over here, but I don't know if I'm crossing this big street. They got one, I'll go to it. I gotta get some money out. Oh, yep, it's open. I'm about to go over there. So guys, we're about to cross the street. It's not gonna be a long video here. I'm not trying to get hit today. Yeah, I probably could walk if I wanted to, but I'm not walking. I'm not walking that far to head over here. I'm get myself situated. I might do a little bit more walking, like 30 minutes more walking, because I haven't been walking. I've really just been trying to get my thoughts together, you know, get my head together, and just go hit up this ATM. Oh, he's in here. That's a one-off.